Hey y'all, welcome back to my half of the channel. Deanna here. It's September 30th. It's the first 30 days of my final lock-in. So we're here for a check-in, okay? Welcome back. I just wanted to say, to me, that September was a great start, a great brand new start, a great step in from the summer to a lock-in for real. If y'all could have seen my transition from August 30th, August 31st to September, it literally was like, I want some cake, I want some cookies, no cake, no cookies. Straight like that, cold turkey, because I can do that. So I am just very proud of myself during this lock-in, and we are going to do a weigh-in and then physique check, I guess we can say.
Okay, so as you can see, the weight that I started at in the beginning of September is the weight that is showing up at the end of September. Now, in between September 1st and September 30th, I definitely seen the scale go down 11 pounds, and then it went back up. I will say I'm not worried, I'm not stressed, because I have been strength training and I can see that my quads and my glutes has built up a little bit. And so it could be muscle. Believe me, I'm not stressed. It's a journey, but yes, I wanted to put that in there because.
Say that I really put in work this month. I really jump started doing something every single day, because some of them days during the summertime I did a little walk, and I called it a day. So just to go from doing a bare minimum to really locking into a schedule, I'm just so grateful, but there's always room for improvement. I definitely need to not put in more work, but be a little bit more dedicated during the weekend, because when it comes to the weekday, it's so much easier for me to be moving around and doing my movement because I'm outside, I'm at work, and I'm utilizing my time outside to make sure that I'm moving my body. And then when I get in, I'm wrapping it up with like my low impact or my Pilates, and then my last 2 walks on my treadmill. I am such a work hard, play hard, rest harder, that after I'm done with that 4-day work week in the office, when I come home, it's so challenging for me to really get up. And that's not to say that I'm not doing anything Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because I have early morning in the gym at 7 a.m. on Saturdays. On Sunday is really my rest day, my day of a good walk and a stretch. But like Friday, because I'm at work, it's so easy for me to take a 10-minute break here, take a 10-minute break there, take a 15-minute break there to go outside and walk outside of my work, because I want to be outside of work. But when I'm working from home on that Friday, and I'm in a rested zone because I'm at home, very challenging for me to get up. But I try to make sure that after I eat, I'm for sure getting on the treadmill. And doing a morning stretch, I try. But I will say, when it comes to improvement for October, I have to try harder, because I don't want to get so comfortable with Fridays feeling like, maybe I should make Friday my rest day. But then I would still have to walk, so it don't even make no. I must improve in October. So my schedule is, I would literally say, this is the most perfect workout, health, fitness schedule I've ever created in my life, and I've created a lot of them since 2012. Okay, so this is the best one ever that I've ever created. And so because it's good, when October hits tomorrow, I want to somehow turn it up that doesn't feel like, all right, now I'm gonna go to the gym 5 days a week. I'm gonna figure that out. I'll figure that out while I'm at my desk at work, because that's where I do my best work. as you can see. Now that I've laid down the foundation of this new schedule, what more can I do? Can I do 2 Pilates sessions in one day now, or do I want to just keep it in one? Like, I need to figure it out. So that's on the to-do list for October, which I will be brainstorming tomorrow, October 1st. For sure, I need to be incorporating more protein, and not to say that I'm not trying to. Groceries are expensive right now for me. And so I am doing the best that I can. Point blank period. I know that increasing that protein just helps increase things much more. So that's improvement number 2. Improvement number 3 is going to be stretching more, because with the Pilates, of course, my body is being like stretched out and sculpted out and all types of things, because I have been hitting the gym and strength training, and because I have been lifting heavy at the gym, I'm really starting to feel it in my muscles. And like, this not low impact no more. My body, I will say, I guess the appropriate word would be tensing up, because like, it's lifting heavy things. I need to stretch more. So priority 1 is getting my weekends together. Priority 2, more protein. Priority 3 is more stretching, because when I say my upper body, it just doesn't. And I got my, maybe that's why my back was hurting before I started Pilates. When I started Pilates, I noticed after like 2 or 3 days that my back felt so much better. And I wasn't working out in the gym or doing strength training anymore, so I wasn't lifting heavy. And so now that I'm starting to lift heavy again, maybe that's the reason why my back was hurting. But it's literally like the upper region. And it's very, very tense. And I don't like feeling locked in my body. Other than those 3 improvements, I feel like this was a perfect jump start, a perfect first month of the lock-in. I haven't had any sweets. When I say sweets, so I said I wasn't doing no sweets. I do mean desserts, because I'm such a sweet head. I'm such a dessert head. And I will say I haven't had any desserts. Did my mom buy me some Magnolia's banana pudding? Yes, she did. Did I smell it? Yes, I did. Did I think about eating it? Yes, I did. I was like, this is what my brain says. When you tell yourself not to have something and it gets to you, you start to get really creative in your head on why you should have it. So I'm like, I mean, it's not, I have been doing good. Maybe I should it's just a scoop. It's a small portion. I put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. I'll eat it later. And then Dania, she was like, oh my goodness, I want something sweet. This is before we got the pudding. I want something sweet. We've been doing good. Let's make some cookies. And when she say let's make, she really mean you, Deanna, go make some cookies. I said, no, I'm not eating no cookies. So there you go. I'm saying that to say I haven't had any sweets. Cool. I did have some waffles with agave. I'm not really counting that as a sweet. Some people may think otherwise. Cool, I understand that there's sugar in agave and there's sugar in waffles, pumpkin spice waffles from Trader Joe's, but I'm not counting it as a sweet. My body is most likely going to count it as a sweet, but when I said stay away from sweets, I strictly meant desserts, because I will make a batch of cookies. I will get creative and I will make a cake because I love to do so. So I've been drinking like tea with agave and lemon and stuff. Other than that, I haven't had no sweets, which is really good, because March, April, May, June, July, August, oh baby, I was cutting up. And it just don't make it no better that all of my family's birthdays is right after each other, starting from March on down. It's very eventful. Now, you had enough sweets, so you can actually stop. And so I stopped. I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it. Sometimes I be itching for it. I still want some sweets. I can eat a brownie right now. I really could. But Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm gonna be eating sweets for Thanksgiving. I have something I have a very nice cake that I'm gonna make, and I'm very excited because it came from here. And here, those are my taste buds. Very good on not eating no sweets, very good at getting my movement, staying on track, even if I'm just like a little bit off of time, because like most of my after work workouts are at 5 o'clock. So sometimes it might be 5:15. Today, I was resting very nicely. And I did a 24-minute walk after I ate my midday lunch. And I was chilling after that, and I'm like, oh no, it's almost 5 o'clock. And I said, let me just go. I'm gonna go at 5:15, and then 5:30 came. I said, okay, let me get up for real. Let me just get it over with. And so there we are. Sometimes you have to pull yourself up and out, go do the thing so you can get it over it and call it a day.